In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on XTB, specifically focusing on opening a sell or short position for CFDs on Forex, indices, commodities, and more. Understanding how to effectively sell CFDs is an essential skill for any aspiring trader, and this guide will help you grasp the key steps involved. Let's start by discussing the very first action you'll take, which is selecting the instrument you wish to trade. This could be a currency pair in Forex, an index, or a commodity. On XTB's platform, this is typically managed within the Market Watch section, where you can view a list of available instruments. Make sure you have conducted your research and analysis on the instrument and market trends before making a selection. Knowing the current market conditions and any potential indicators of price changes will enhance your decision-making process. Once you've chosen your instrument, the next step is to click the red sell button. The red sell button indicates you're opening a sell or short position, which means you're speculating that the price of the instrument will decrease. The placement of this button allows for a seamless experience, helping you initiate the trade quickly once you have identified the right opportunity. As you hover over the sell button, ensure the current market price aligns with your research and trading strategy. After clicking the sell button, it's time to move on to the trade size selection. This is a critical step because the trade size determines the degree of risk and potential profit or loss of your position. On this platform, you can specify the number of contracts you wish to trade. Carefully consider your risk tolerance and financial goals before deciding on the trade size. It's always wise to review your current portfolio to ensure that your position size aligns with your broader trading strategy and risk management plan. Following the selection of your trade size, you're then ready to confirm the trade. It's important to review all the details of your trade before you finalize it. Double check to ensure that the selected instrument, position size, and market price match your intentions. Once all the details are correct and you feel confident about this trade decision, confirming the trade will officially place your order into the live market. Remember, with a short position, you would profit if the price of the instrument falls. As you monitor your trade, stay informed about market trends and be prepared to make quick adjustments if market conditions change. Keep in mind that these contracts are leveraged products, meaning they allow you to control a larger position with a smaller initial investment, which magnifies both potential gains and losses. I hope this guide has provided you with a clear understanding of how to sell on XTB. Whether you're trading Forex, indices, or commodities, following these steps will help you navigate the world of CFDs effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and insights to enhance your trading journey.